Hi guys, welcome to my video, and what I'm gonna do in this video is build an DIY night lamp with these cans. So let's do it. Alright, the next step is make a small holes all over this can. So you can use this pin and you can just follow the pattern of the cans, or you can use your own pattern. Alright guys, I already finished to make a holes all over these cans. I know it seems terrible, but if you turn on the light inside of this can, it will look so cool. Trust me. Okay, and for the lamp, I'm gonna use this lamp for in this project. I got this lamp from my uncle. He bought this lamp when he was on vacation to New Delhi, India. And I think this lamp is pretty cool because it has glass on the top of the lamp and it made the light is more brighter. Let's try it. Alright, as you can see, it's more brighter. And before I install this lamp to the cans, so I just have to make some modification on this lamp.
Black coffee, I'm in trouble. Black coffee, I see trouble. Man, 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 I'm not gonna get home. Black coffee, I'm so dizzy. Black coffee, please get busy. Oh, 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 nothing to get home. Black coffee, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Man, 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 I'm not gonna get home. Black coffee, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Oh, 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 now I'm not gonna get home.
Alright guys, we already have the cans and also the lamp. And one thing that we have to make is a box that I'm gonna use that as a pedestal of the cans. And here I'm gonna use this cardboard.
I'm in trouble. Black coffee, I see trouble. Man, 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 I'm not gonna get home. Black coffee, I'm so dizzy. Black coffee, please get busy. Oh, 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 nothing to get home. Black coffee, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Man, 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 I'm not gonna get home. Black coffee, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Oh, 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 now I'm not gonna get home.
Alright guys, I already done to make this night lamp and I know it's look terrible but I hope you like it. Because this is my first video on my channel, I really need your support by like and subscribe my channel. If you want to share to your friends, that's also helpful and I will say thanks for that. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy this video. I will see you on my next project.